Save a pretty penny, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard but wondered about. Save a pretty penny. This expression is not only picturesque but also offers insight into English-speaking cultures and their nuances. So, let's unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase together. And I hope by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations. The phrase, save a pretty penny, refers to saving a significant amount of money. It's often used when the amount saved is notable, either through a good deal, avoiding unnecessary expenses, or through wise financial decisions. Despite the use of pretty, which might imply something small or delicate, in this context, it underscores the considerable value of the savings. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us appreciate and remember them better. The term, pretty penny, has been in use for centuries, with pretty once meaning cunning or clever in Middle English, before evolving into a term denoting attractiveness. The phrase as a whole suggests that the money saved is as pleasing to look at or think about as something that is pretty or attractive. While the exact origin of the phrase is not clearly documented, it reflects the value and satisfaction derived from saving money. Now, let's look at how you can incorporate save a pretty penny into your everyday English. It can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions about finances. Here are a few examples. Buying this car used instead of new helped me save a pretty penny. Shopping during the sales season means you can save a pretty penny on your favorite brands. Doing the repairs ourselves rather than hiring someone saved us a pretty penny. Remember, the phrase is versatile but is best used in situations where significant savings are involved. Using phrases like, save a pretty penny, can give your English a more native flavor and help you connect with English-speaking cultures on a deeper level. It reflects not only the language's rich history but also the universal value of frugality and financial wisdom. Understanding such expressions can enhance your comprehension of English media, literature, and conversations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, save a pretty penny. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, origins, and use of this charming expression. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about embracing the cultural nuances that make it so vibrant. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you've saved a pretty penny's worth of knowledge today. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.